Learn easy. Subscribe Learn Easy channel.
Hello kids, welcome to Learn Easy. So today's video will teach us subtraction using different methods. You remember in last video we learned addition using different methods. Today we are going to learn subtraction using different methods. So these are the four methods which we are going to use for subtracting. Subtracting on method, so we are going to subtract one by one numbers. Subtraction using near multiple method, subtraction on number line method and column method. So our first method is subtracting on method. Children, when we subtract, our first number is minuend. We call it minuend, the number from which we are subtracting. And the second number which is to be subtracted is called as subtrahend. And मुझे पता है आप सबको पता है कि the answer of subtraction is called difference. So we are going to find out the difference of 734 and 339 using subtracting on method. So what we are going to do? We are going to keep the minuend as it is. इस minuend को हम as it is लिखेंगे और जो subtrahend है इसको हम तोड़ेंगे. So अपनी convenience के हिसाब से हमें इसको तोड़ना होता है. I have broken this 339 as 330 and 9. Now first of all we are going to subtract these two numbers. 734 minus 300, that gives us 434, and I am copying these two numbers as it is over here. Then 434 minus 30, so we are going to lessen the 10th digit number, that is 3, because we are reducing it from 30. It gives us 404, and 404 minus 9 you can calculate by using backward counting. We will get 395 as answer, which is also called as difference. So our second method is subtracting using near multiple method. Here I have taken two numbers. The minuend is 634 and subtrahend is 592. So again here I am using near multiple method. Near multiple means when we are going to round it off our subtrahend. Our subtrahend is 592. So children, rounding off, you can imagine like 592 is near to 500 or 600. 634 minus 592. So I am keeping the minuend as it is. 500 is near to 600. So instead of subtracting 592, I am subtracting 600. अब मैंने क्या किया? मुझे 592 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना था, मैंने ज़्यादा सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. कितना ज़्यादा सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया? इन दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या है? यस, द डिफरेंस ऑफ 592 एंड 600 इज 8. अब मैंने 8 ज़्यादा माइनस कर दिया. सो व्हाट आई हैव टू डू नाउ? आई हैव टू ऐड बैक 8 to 8, राइट? नाउ व्हाट इज 634 minus 600? It gives me the answer 34, and adding 8 to 8 will give me answer 42. You see how easy it is to subtract. I am not using any traditional column method over here. I am simply using the horizontal method and finding out the difference, doing everything mentally. Our third method is subtracting on number line method. Children, we are going to use number line. That is going to give us some visualization. Here our minuend is 259 and we have to subtract 136. You remember when we add on number line, we move forward. And when we subtract on number line, we have to move backward. So to move backward, where we have to place this number 259? हमें इसको कहाँ रखना होगा? Yes, हमें इसे right side पे रखना होगा. So I keep 259 over here. ठीक है ना? अब हम इस 136 को तोड़ देंगे. 130 and 6. Now what is my first step? To subtract 100. So 259 में से मैंने 100 माइनस किया, राइट? तो माई 100 प्लेस विल बी इम्पैक्टेड. 2 minus 1, 1. So 259 minus 100 will give me 159. Now what I have to subtract? I have to subtract 30. So I'll make a smaller jump because 30 is a smaller number than 100. So 159 minus 30. So here my tens place will be impacted. What is 5 minus 3? 2. So my answer is 129. Now what next? I have to subtract 6 also. So again I make a smaller jump. 129 minus 6 will give me 9 minus 6 will give me 3. So my answer will be 123. That is my difference of 259 and 136. So our last method is column method. This is a traditional method where we are making the columns of ones, tens and hundreds and subtracting, right? So children, in column method, I am showing you two sub methods. Column method, subtraction with regrouping and without regrouping. Like when my minuend, all the digits are bigger than the digits in the subtrahend, तो हम without regrouping करते हैं. So we are going to make 3 columns, 500, 9 tens and 6 ones, minus 300s, 2 tens and 4 ones. So here all the numbers are sufficient to subtract the smaller number. What is 6 minus 4? 2. 9 minus 7? 9 minus 2? 7. And 5 minus 3? 2. So this is very simple. We are going to subtract the subtrahend from the minuend without any regrouping, without taking any borrowing. Now, what is borrowing? I will show you that in this with regrouping method. So you can see in this regrouping method, 625 minus 328. You see, we have to subtract 8 ones from 5 ones. That is not possible. So what we are going to do? We are going to do regrouping. हम 5 ones को tens की help से 1 tens दे देंगे, right? तब ये 5 ones और 10 ones बना के मिला के बना 15 ones. 15 ones minus 8 ones, 7 ones, right? Now here also we have 1. 1 minus 2, not possible. So we are going to take help from hundreds place. Here hundreds will say I'll give you 1. So 100 will become 5 and this will become 11. 11 minus 2, 9 and 5 minus 3, 2. So my answer is 297. So you see, with regrouping and without regrouping, column method. So children, we have done 4 methods of subtraction. Subtracting on method, then subtracting using near multiples method. Third we did subtraction on number line and the last one is column method. I hope आपको ये चारों methods समझ आए होंगे. In case you have any doubt, you can write to me and I'll definitely clarify your doubts. Bye.
Learn easy. Subscribe Learn Easy channel.